He's proud to be an American.
Sure. What do you say? Let's go. Next.
Awesome. Good morning. This is like a normal thing, isn't it? We're always waiting for Sarah. Waiting for Sarah. Waiting for Sarah. Oh, hi, Sarah. How are you? Sarah, get over here. Stop shooting. What are you shooting? She's addicted to this TikTok thing. All right, we're going to talk for her. It's Saturday. It's the Syracuse Nationals. We had an awesome hotel stay. I want to do big props for Ed over at the Classic Auto Mall for hooking up MustangMedic last night. It was just awesome. We stayed in a beautiful hotel. I think we marked it when we did the images. And we're ready for another day of Saturday. I'm wearing shorts, guys. I went shorts because it's just too much for me. So, and if it gets too much for me, I'm going to take this shirt off and just go MustangMedic undercover. You want to say anything to him? Quick, we got 1 second, go!
Isolation kills.
Bye! Huh? You know what I'm talking about? There's a couple bright Mustangs. That's an all original interior. Her shifter. There's an automatic, not an original interior. Custom. Original. Original straight six, which is probably a 170 or it's possibly a 200. And that's a custom crate motor, I believe, or it's just been prettied up with, and they painted the block the same color. But be careful about where you apply paint, guys, because if it doesn't get applied right, it's gonna come off. And then this one wants to ride a golf cart and is moping and pouting. Rachel from MustangMedic is moping and pouting. She's quit 3 times. She's quit 3 times. You guys making this tough. All right, you're about to see a photo montage on Instagram of this gorgeous Mustang, and the woman that owns it will not sell it for $1 million, nor should be on video. I respect that, but look at this car. Ready? Here come the images.